Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to find your pay stubs on Gusto Payroll. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you just got started with Gusto. How do you actually go ahead and find your pay stubs on Gusto so that you can provide proof of work? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But the way to actually do this is that first you're going to log onto your Gusto account. Next, under Reports, you're going to click on Reports. And then from here, you're going to scroll down to where it says Pay Stubs. So click on View Report. So over here, you could actually generate a Pay Stubs report. So you can choose a check date based on all the payments and pay stubs that you've actually processed through Gusto. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and find your pay stubs on Gusto. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. In addition, if you haven't signed up for Gusto just yet, you can use my link down below in order to sign up so that you get a $100 gift card when you run your first payroll. But thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.